Industrial manufacturing is rapidly embracing mobile solutions to unlock unprecedented efficiency gain. For example, a critical bottleneck lies in the process of finding the repair and maintenance service quickly after machines break down. A mobile app can solve the problem. Manufacturer needs to create an account as a service requester. After login, he can see his dashboard, which has open and active requests. He can also quickly check his service history and notifications. The hamburger menu on the left has all the quick links, like best practices, FAQ, update profile, and team information. He can add more people from his organization as his team members for them to handle requests and responses. When a machine needs service, he creates a request. On receiving a bid, he can view rates, ETAs, certifications, and star ratings. By chatting right in the app, he can iron out details and schedule the service. Finally, he can provide his ratings of the service he received. There are many such scenarios where leading companies in industrial manufacturing domain are leveraging mobile solution to unlock new efficiency frontiers.